Hi, I'm Jenna, CEO, mom, and builder of multi-million brands from scratch.
Extreme party goer, bullied, maaga nagkaanak, dumaan sa depression, yan ako noon. Wala akong investors pero meron akong vision at hindi ako natatakot para magtrabaho dito.
Right now, I'm building Print Pinas, my skincare brand, Hello Eve, and Coolman Essentials.
If you're a hardworking Filipina, lalo na kung mami ka, and you're a big dreamer, sabay ka sa journey ko. Let's grow together.
Dito, ipapakita ko how I build my empire in public. From zero to millions, real CEO decisions, mga failures, workout, mom duties, glow up journey ko, yung discipline na ginagawa ko daily. Walang filter, walang pa-fancy, totoong buhay CEO. Kala kasi nila pag CEO, laging bongga, laging pasarap. Ayan, this is real life CEO. Follow me, we're building million peso brands, one grind at a time. Follow me, we're building million peso brands, one grind at a time.